How to make $10,000 per month with AI automation, step by step. AI is revolutionizing how we make money, and if you're not taking advantage of it, you're missing out. Today, I'm going to break down how you can make $10,000 per month using AI automation, even if you're starting from scratch. Stick around because I'll reveal the best AI tools to make this process easy and scalable. Let's dive in. Step 1. Pick a profitable AI business model. Before we start automating, we need to choose a high-income AI business model. Here are 3 proven models that people are already using to hit $10,000 a month. 1. AI-powered content creation agency. Businesses need blogs, ads, and social media content, and AI can generate it instantly. 2.AI YouTube automation channel. AI scripts, AI voiceovers, and AI-edited videos, all automated. 3. AI chatbot and automation services. Set up AI chatbots for small businesses and charge monthly fees. Which one sounds best to you? Let me know in the comments. Step 2. Automate with AI tools. Now let's talk about the exact AI tools that will run your business on autopilot. For content agencies, use ChatGPT plus Jasper AI to write blogs and social media posts. For YouTube automation, use ElevenLabs for voiceovers, Pictory.ai for editing, and Canva for thumbnails. For AI chatbots, use ManyChat or ChatGPT API to build bots for businesses. With these tools, you can automate 80% of the work and focus on scaling. Step 3. Get clients and customers. Even the best AI automation won't make you money unless you have clients. Here's how to get them fast. Use Fiverr and Upwork. List AI-powered services and let clients come to you. Leverage LinkedIn and Twitter. Post about AI automation and DM businesses offering your service. Cold emailing businesses. Find local businesses that need AI and offer a free demo. Pro tip. Use AI to send cold emails at scale using tools like Gmass or MailChimp AI. Step 4. Scale to $10,000 per month with automation. Once you land your first clients, it's time to scale to $10,000 per month. Here's the step-by-step scaling strategy. 1. Increase pricing, start at $500 per client, then raise rates as you build credibility. 2. Outsource with AI. Hire virtual assistants to manage repetitive tasks. 3. Upsell additional AI services. Offer chatbot automation, AI ads or SEO services. Use AI to work faster. Automate client onboarding, project tracking, and customer communication. This is how AI lets you scale a business with minimal effort. Bonus, passive income with AI. Want to make money while you sleep? Here's a bonus AI strategy for passive income. AI-powered affiliate marketing. Use AI to generate blog content or YouTube videos, add affiliate links, and earn commissions. AI digital product sales. Create and sell AI-generated ebooks, templates, or courses. AI-driven stock trading bots. Set up an AI trading bot that invests automatically. Which AI passive income method sounds best to you? Let me know in the comments. Take action. Now AI is changing the game, and those who use it will get ahead. If you want to make $10,000 per month with AI automation, follow these steps and start today. Which AI business would you start? Comment below, like and subscribe for more AI money-making strategies. Turn on notifications so you don't miss my next AI business video. See you in the next one.